Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the following components are required to run this program. Directx Runtime error in Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. Let's fix it guys. You just need to open up Chrome and search Directx Runtime. Download. Press enter. Select the first link. Scroll down, select your language and select the download option. After getting download done, you just need to click on it and install the downloaded file. Select I accept the argument and select next. Uncheck install the big bar and select next. After getting installation complete, you just need to select the finish option and close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your problem should be fixed guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.